am I doing? I'm putting away stuff from the last video so I can start this video. I don't think this video is going to be very exciting. I got to make it quick too because I don't have all night in here. But if you watch my video, you'll see what I'm doing. Previous video. This video I bought, it's just probably some tools. I don't know if this is a Toolie Tuesday video or what, but I picked up I seen this on Amazon. Yeah, it looks like a wrench, right? It is a ER32 collet wrench that I picked up off of Amazon. The company that sells it listed it on Amazon over a year ago, saying it was no longer available. So I left it there to I left it on there as a reminder that I wanted a collet wrench because I couldn't never find a wrench that fits on the collet chucks. Like you got one for so anyway. I sat there and all of a sudden one day it popped up and said there was only 4 left. It's only a $10 wrench or whatever it was. So I picked it up and I'm gonna test it out on my thing. See, it's just a flat piece of steel painted black with a, not even sure if this is like a dipped handle or just slid in. I'm guessing it's probably dipped in plastic dip somehow. But it's all it is. I don't know where it's made. I don't know who makes it. It's a perfect size for ER32 collet, and it's thin enough. Most of the wrenches I got are like a smidgen too thick. So, with that said, and I don't want to just make a minute-and-a-half video, because what kind of video is that going to be, right? I also picked up, where was it? Also, oh yeah, this. I picked up a phone holder for my bike. I left the other piece on the end, but this $19 phone holder works pretty good. I'd show you how it holds my phone, but I'm using my phone to record. But anybody who goes on Amazon and wants a bike phone holder, some of the little bike videos I made this week, if you go through my shorts, they're all made with this thing. The only problem I had was when you put the phone in straight, it kind of blocks part of the, see, because this goes up here. The cameras on the side are blocked to right by here. So you have to kind of like offset the, well, it's on this side. It's blocked by this little thing, so you have to, either this has to go out further or something. So you got to kind of just tilt the phone sideways to get all the camera, because there's, what, 3 cameras on the thing, on the stupid iPhone? Yeah, I say stupid iPhone because I want to get rid of it. If anybody has a recommendation for another phone that does good videos, I'm pretty sure every phone out there is better than an iPhone. Yeah, considering iPhone's like, oh, look, we got a new iPhone 16 that has, a software upgrade. And that the rest of the world gets that nice little Huawei flip phone, which has like all kinds of, that'd be cool. I can watch videos and record videos. I don't know if it's any good, but it looks cool. My daughter's like, I want one of those. Yeah, you and the whole planet want one. So with that said, this, I want to make bike videos. It holds it. Drove it all around, all over the place. Didn't have a problem. It's got little, it's got like a suspension system on here that kind of jiggles, but doesn't really jiggle that much. But it works. $20. It's all solid plastic. It's pretty good construction. It didn't break on insulation. You can see it here. If I can remember to put in the video the mosquitoes. There's another ball here attached to the bike. In fact, I think I have it's this, oh no, is that it? Yeah, there's a little ball piece that, here's the extra, in case you have a different size handlebar. So I got that. I'm going to try to make some more bike videos. What I can't wait for is winter. I know my phone's going to like freeze up and go dead, but making, what do you call it? Donuts. Get a little bit of snow on the ground, do a nice spinning, and all of a sudden a dry spot and the bike flips. Not really. And what else is, yeah. Other than that, and I'll probably be picking up another shitbox 3-wheeler. Somebody has one, like almost within the free range. And so I'm going to go get it and see. He says it runs, it needs a seat and a gas tank. So if I can find out where the hell I can get even a plastic gas tank, and the seat's easy to fix, buy a cover, we're done. See if I can get it running and the tires are rolling. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you like, subscribe, and tell me how you like it.